Hey, it's Rob from Kickass, and today we are going to do a going out of town inspection. So this is our vehicle we're taking up to Chicago. So we want to make sure the tires are good, brakes are good, just give it an all-around check and a good travel health of the car. Stick around. Also, we're doing the 2 rear wheel bearings, and we're gonna be probably putting some tires on, so we'll be swapping some tires on there. So stick around. All right, so basically, we're going over all the fluids, making sure everything's topped off. That's right, Rev. Rev's over there whining like normal. But yeah, so basically, check the fluids. Make sure we're going in a cold environment, so you want to make sure that you've got your coolant all topped off, your washer fluid's got alcohol or something in it that's not going to freeze it. All right, we are at the full line right there. So yeah, coolant topped off. I'm going to go get some other coolant when I run to the store later. One thing I do is we're going up north. It's going to be rainy, snowy. I Rain-X. Yep. Pre-Rain-X, before you go out of town, I do sometimes bring the bottle with me in case I need to re-up X. Like I said, I got the new Ceramic X, which is the super duper new stuff. It's been working pretty good. So I think I put some on the S2000. This thing's gonna get it. I'm gonna do all the windows in this bad boy. And I do pack a nice travel bag of road tools. Obviously, I'll bring my scanner, the basic tools, you know, like a nice road. It'll be my tool bag, but it'll have all the stuff I need just in case I get a flat, something happens. I can help somebody out if I'm somewhere and we see somebody broken down, you know, stuff like that. It's random stuff that you gotta have road tools. This thing's pretty dang reliable. I have no problems out of it. Luckily, this isn't one of the ones that shit cans himself, other than the paint falling off. And Hyundai's actually, we're on a list to get painted, so this thing will be painted. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's go on to, you want to make sure your son of a freaking license plate grab my ass. You want to make sure your battery is within 3 years. So if it's like 4 years old, you may want to change it if you're going to go out of town, or if it's sounding weak. They generally last about 3 years. Generally, they used to last a long time before they were made with bullshit in them. But now that the cheaper batteries and the cheaper, you know, this is a lead acid battery. I think this is the one that came with the car, probably. That's it. Anyways, you want to do that. Obviously, the tires you want to be good because we're going up in the snow and the cold, so we're going to want to have newer tires. So I'm going to get new tires here today. I'm going to go grab some wheels and tires, and we're going to pop these wheels off because we're going to put some new wheel bearings on here. I forgot to tell you about that. Or I did tell you about that. Yeah, they've been making noise. Ah, freaking! Man, I don't know why they put this freaking thing right, we could have put it on the side up here, but no, right there. Oh, I'm going to write them a letter about that. Move your freaking locks. Ow! Anyways, sorry. Yeah. Me walking around aimlessly at the parts store, looking for something that I need, and I forgot what I needed. I always use a can of brake fluid, some road stuff. I got the bug stuff, I got washer fluid, I've got brake fluid. Change the oil when we get back. Getting wipers too. So we're gonna do new wipers plus the Rain-X. So we need to find the wipers. Tools, filters, I don't need any filters. I think we've got everything. Oh, Mr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. All right, we got us some Rain-X bug remover washer stuff. It's the best stuff you can get right here. This is for road trips. You want some bug removing juice. You don't dilute this stuff, you just throw it straight in. You probably hold this whole thing. I usually hold about a gallon. Oh, take it all, big boy. Oh, it is. It's gonna take it all. Oh, to the top. Look at that. Rain-X bug juice. So we got Rain-X bug juice combined with Rain-X wiper blades and Rain-X new ceramic Rain-X. There's not going to be rain that gets even near this car. The rain's going to come down and be like, no, and just, won't even touch it. So yeah, slap those wipers on there. Then we're going to dive into the old wheel bearings. And then I did notice it needed front pads. So as we were going over it, front pads are very wore out. So got some new pads, wiper blades, wheel bearings, And then we're gonna Facebook Marketplace some tires. It's a very good way to do it, save you a lot of money. You can go buy brand new tires, but you're paying for all kinds of crazy shit that you don't need to. You can find plenty of tires and wheels. I'm looking for all wheels and tires, the whole shebang, for under 500 bucks, which I will do that all day long, and I'll show you how. Let's get back to this job here though. Here's a little tip trick for putting on wiper blades. It's got these little tabs right here. You push this tab down, take your hand, don't hit it too hard, just smack it like that so it pops out. You don't ever want to let go of this while you're doing this because you can shatter the window, so always keep your hand on this. Grab your new one, slide her up on there. Give her a nice little pull. Well, there we go. Make sure she clips in. You want to make sure she's not going to fly off, so boom, there's one. Boop. Push the tab. Little slam that guy down there. Push the tab. There you go. Comes out. This guy slides under. Pull to hear the click. Push back. There you go. Why is that too? What the? Why is that the wrong size? We looked it up. Are you kidding me? Hey Siri, pause music. Alright, so we are... Rev, get the flashlight. I think I put it over there. Alright, so we need to take the rotor off, caliper off. These can be a pain in the butt, these little screws right here. So if they don't come off fairly easy, they do make impact drivers where you stick on there and you smack it with a hammer. Some people like those things. I don't like them very much. They're just, I don't know. Tips always break on them. You know, I've had, I don't know, I bought really expensive ones and I learned a trick from a guy a long time ago. I think it was John Devine, JD, taught me this trick. But if you don't use an impact driver, and they actually do have a bit thing that looks kind of like this, and you put it on a air hammer. That works really well. But what you can do is you can get yourself a ball peen hammer, one of those ball peen with a ball. You stick the ball side right there on the screw. Then you take another hammer. Make sure you have safety glasses on when you do this, because you're not supposed to, never mind, just put safety glasses on. But yeah, put that on there like that. Give it a good smack. I like to give it a good double tap. And then this guy, Mr. Flashlight out of the way, give it a 1 and a 2 ski. And believe it or not, look at that. It'll come off quite easy. Look at, let's try this one. 2 fingers. Watch it. No, okay. Maybe not. Yep, there it goes. Yeah. See? So I've always had luck doing that. Chime in if you got some special way to do that, but that's the way that I do it. It's always worked. It's never let me down. I've always managed to get them off with a good whappity whap of the hammer. So I stuck with that because that's cheap. It's free. If you got 2 hammers, there you go. You don't have to buy another tool. But yeah, little tip and trick from Rob. Alright, so I was going to talk about where I find tires and wheels and stuff. So I found out a long time ago, people like to buy cars and put brand new wheels on them like right away. I've seen people, before they even get the car, have wheels at their house. So they'll take the brand new tires, and cars brand new these days have really expensive tires on them. So you're going to have a good tire. So for instance, When my truck needed tires, I was like, priced out tires. They were like $700-800 for tires and shit. I'm like, that's crazy. So I found a guy selling some, these wheels actually, Michelin's 275/60/20s. So 20-inch Michelin's, and they're brand new, like literally brand new. I think he had them up there for like $800. Watched them for like a week or two, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw a $500 at him. Boom. I was like, how about $500? He said, sure. I was like, oh, hot shit. So I got all those, $500. Wheels and tires, boom. And the guy just got different, he didn't like the way they looked on his car or some shit like that. So he got some other ones. He didn't even drive on them but 100 miles. So that's how I look for tires. So I found some already. They're just literally takeoffs from a Hyundai. I think they're like 18s. She's got 16s on there, so we'll get 18s. So 18s with almost brand new tires. I think they're Michelin's or Firestones or something like that. But I may video that today when I go there and look at those. All right, buddy. Oh, you're a good boy. But yeah, oh yeah, I've been messing with the Corvette, so I had to make a fuel line. Oh, she just fucking ran a minute ago. All right, I found some tires on Facebook Marketplace. That's where I recommend everybody goes to look for their tires. I found brand new almost, look at these bad boys. Yeah, brand new, just about Falcons. Falcons! Still got the little wormy things on the tires. Still got the little wormy things. Yeah, saved a lot of money. Found some guy down the street. Joe's Tires, by the way. So Joe, down there at Joe's Tires. Great guys. Fastest tire guys in this Crystal River. But yeah, $80 to balance 4 tires. Smoking deal. So, I'll thank those guys. But yeah, I got those on there. We have Rain-X the windshield. So we are ready and Rain-X'd to repel. What is it, Rev? Is Timmy trapped in the well? What is it, Rev? Tell me. You don't, what? Keep going. What else? Yes. Is there something? Yes, that too. Okay. Can I? Okay. All right. That. Okay. All right. That's Rev saying it's ready to go. This thing's ready for vacation. We are heading up to Chicago, so we're gonna put some miles on it. So, see y'all next time. Till then, I'm Rob from Kickass. That's Crazy Rev. Rev. I'll say bye. I'll say okay. Bye-bye. And Bugatti's out there somewhere. But here every Saturday. Thanks for stopping by.